Today, we're going to build a sailboat using 6 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x3 plate piece in this reddish brown color to kind of simulate that wood of those old sailing ships or pirate ships of the past. And on the back stud of this 1x3 plate, I'm going to grab a cheese wedge slope. And I'm going to put us to the cheese wedge slope. The larger end is in the back of my plate and it slopes towards the center, towards that center stud. And that's going to be the back of my sailing ship here, my pirate ship. And on that center stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece with clip and put the clip on that center stud so that the sides of the clip are on the sides of our boat, and it just kind of looks like that. And now to smooth off the front of our boat, to smooth off that front stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece and just put it on the front stud like this. And we've got the body of our sailing ship or pirate ship. And now the next thing we're going to do is grab a 3L bar. And this 3L bar is going to go into that center clip. And you're going to want it so that the back of this bar clip just barely touches that cheese wedge slope. So we've got a little bit of the bar hanging up front to be like that front post, and then it's just barely touching the back of that cheese wedge slope. And now for our sails, I'm just going to grab this trapezoid flag piece, or these wing pieces here, and I'm going to put it so that the sloped end is in front and the flat end is in back. And I'm going to put it so the clips go right onto that 3L bar. And here I've got a micro pirate ship or sailing ship from the days of old for any maybe larger dioramas of like a coast or a ocean setting.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.